Today, let us make sizzling brownie. For this, I want to melt butter and the chocolate. In a microwave, I will just keep this for 30 seconds and melt this. Now I'm going to sieve in the flour, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, baking soda and baking powder. I'm going to sieve in all the dry ingredients. To this, I'm going to add the melted chocolate and butter. I will pour in this dry mixture. Along with this, I will pour in the condensed milk. Now some vanilla essence. Before start beating, I would just mix it once. I don't want to beat more, just to mix everything. And then add a 50 ml of water. The batter is the flowy consistency. Now for this, I'm going to add the walnuts and some chocolate chips. This, I'll put it in pre-prepared baking tray. I've lined it with parchment paper. I will spread this evenly. I will just tap this. I will bake this in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. My brownie took almost 30 minutes. I'm taking a damp cloth and covering it and keep it for half an hour. I've taken some chocolate, put in some butter. I'll melt this for 30 seconds and add some fresh cream, and the chocolate sauce is ready. Now I will add the fresh cream. After mixing well, I will keep this again for 30 seconds in the microwave. Now the chocolate sauce is ready. I will take the brownie onto the wire rack. I want to heat the pan to make it hot for 4 to 5 minutes. I will cut this. Now the pan is hot. I'm going to place the brownie, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and to drizzle some sauce. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.